Are you a small business owner struggling to create engaging content for your social media? Look no further. In this video, I'll share 7 simple yet effective content ideas that are easy to implement, helping you connect with your audience and attract more customers. Hey, what's up? I'm Antonio Thompson from Antonio Thompson Marketing, and we understand that coming up with fresh social media content can be a challenge, but it's crucial for your online presence. Today, I've got 7 easy content ideas that anyone can use to showcase their expertise in their industry and boost their small business, right? In today's digital age, content is the lifeblood of your online presence and marketing efforts. Here's why content is more important than ever for small businesses. Number 1, building trust. Content, whether in the form of informative articles, engaging videos, or helpful guides, plays a crucial role in building trust with your audience. Research by Edelman has shown that 81% of consumers trust information they get from blogs and other online content. Number 2, establishing authority, right? Consistently providing valuable content positions your business as an authority in your industry. When customers see you as an expert, they are more likely to choose your products or services. Number 3, attracting and retaining customers. Content is a powerful tool for attracting new customers and retaining existing ones. According to HubSpot, businesses that publish educational content get 126% more leads than those that don't. Number 4, fostering engagement. Engaging content sparks conversations and interactions with your audience. It encourages likes, comments, shares, and discussions, all of which boost your online visibility. Number 5, educating your audience. Content allows you to educate your audience about your industry, products, and services. When customers are informed, they make confident decisions, leading to increased sales. And number 6, enhance SEO. Search engines love fresh, relevant content. Regularly updating your website or social media profiles with quality content improves your search engine rankings and can make it easier for potential customers to find you. Now let's dive into 7 content ideas that will help your small business leverage the power of content to connect with your audience, boost your online presence, and ultimately increase your revenue. Number 1, product and service spotlight, right? Let's start out with a powerful content idea that can help you showcase your products or services effectively. Choose one product or service each week and give it the spotlight it deserves. Share in-depth information about its features, benefits, and how it can solve your customers' problems. Include high-quality images and videos to demonstrate its use and advantages. This not only educates your audience, but also creates a sense of anticipation for what's coming next. Remember to engage with comments and questions to build a connection with your audience. Number 2, behind the scenes. Behind the scenes content adds a personal touch to your business. All right, take your audience on a journey behind closed doors, showing the inner workings of your business. Introduce your team members, share their roles and their passion for what they do. Capture the daily routines, challenges, and successes that make your business unique. This authentic glimpse creates a stronger bond with your audience, making them feel like part of your journey. Number 3, customer stories and testimonials. Harness the power of your satisfied customers with customer stories and testimonials. Feature real stories of how your product or service has made a positive impact on your customers' lives. Share video testimonials, written reviews, and heartfelt stories of their experiences. Highlight specific pain points your business helped them overcome, emphasizing the transformation. This content builds trust and credibility as potential customers see the real-life benefits of choosing your business. Feeling inspired by these content ideas? Imagine how much easier it can be with High Level. Simplify your social media management with our user-friendly tools. Click the link below for a free demo and take your business to the next level. Number 4, educational content. Now let's talk about the power of educational content for your business. Share your industry knowledge and expertise with informative posts, videos, or articles. Provide valuable insights, tips, and tricks that your audience can benefit from. By positioning yourself as an expert, you not only educate your audience, but also gain their trust and loyalty. Encourage engagement by asking questions and sparking discussions about your educational content. Number 5, harness the creativity of your customers with user-generated content, right? Encourage your customers to create content related to your products or services. Share their posts, photos, or videos on your social media profiles crediting them. UGC not only boosts engagement, but also serves as authentic social proof of your business's value. Consider running UGC contests or challenges to motivate your customers to participate. Number 6, frequently asked questions. right? Answer your customers' questions in your FAQs. Compile a list of common queries related to your industry or products. Create short, informative videos or posts addressing these questions. This not only helps your customers, but also positions your business as a reliable source of information. Invite your audience to submit their own questions for future FAQ content. Finally, interactive polls and quizzes. Create fun and relevant polls or quizzes related to your industry or products. Use these interactive elements to gather insights, preferences, and opinions. Additionally, consider using polls to let your audience influence business decisions. Don't have time to post daily on different social media platforms from scratch? Let High Level assist and do the heavy lifting. Here's how it works. Create a new post, open the AI generating tool, type in a few words, set the tone, and AI will craft the rest. Copy, paste, repeat, and schedule out your social media posts for weeks or months in no time. Click the link below to schedule your free demo. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical marketing insights.